Here we will write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations on two numbers using module. So first we will open the Python ideally. Then we will add new file. First we will write a function for addition with name addition with two parameters which will return x plus y. Then we will write another function minus which is also with two parameters which will return x minus y. Then third function for multiplication with two parameters which will return x into y. And lastly for division which will return x divided by y. Then we will save this module as calc.py. Then we will add another file which will import this calc. Here we will accept two numbers from the user. So x equal to int input enter first number. Then in y we will accept second number. And then we will call the functions from the calc module. Since the functions are returning the value, we will call these functions with print. So print calc.addition and we will pass x and y as a parameter. Then we will call minus and we will pass x and y as parameter. And then multiplication with x and y and division. Then we will save this and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 5 and 4. It will print 9, 1, 20 and 1.25. Here we can write the message also as addition of two numbers, then subtraction of two numbers, then multiplication of two numbers and division of two numbers. And again we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 5 and 4. It will print addition of two numbers 9, subtraction of two numbers 1, multiplication 20 and division 1.25.